What if I do a little arf arf, a little bork bork, a little awoo? Ga. It's Yuffie's birthday. Oh my gosh, I have so much planned. I'm wearing kind of a similar dress to last week. It's only a little bit different. I hope it's not too much. Hello! Shakes, but I have my meat defrosting there. We will reverse sear it. I'm actually a little bit nervous, so I'm really hoping it turns out well. I'm a little bit nervous. I was wondering if I should just take out the air fryer instead, but I don't think we're gonna get an even bake that way. I think it's better to try to use this. Yeah, and I know on the schedule, I said steak and potatoes. I think we're gonna have enough carbs as is, and I'm trying to lose a little bit of flub right now. So we are instead going to make a Caesar salad. Shakes butt, like... Whatever. Shall we begin? We have to make milk. So our first assignment is going to be mixing up a little thing of milk so that we can add it to the cake. We're just gonna make half a cup. Okay, like 15 grams. One doesn't have to be that exact. It's just milk. Okay, we should combine it with about 125 mils of water. That's like one of these. Do you have any idea how expensive steak is these days? I had no idea. I've never made one before, so I'm not gonna risk it. I have a meat thermometer too. I'm big and strong. Mix this up. I got my little spoon. Oh boy. Oh boy, it's clumping. What does this mean? Oh dear. Why do I feel like this is going wrong already? I feel like it's not supposed to be all clumped up like this. Oh dear. Looking. Okay, it looks a lot better, in my opinion. It's getting there. We can't afford to make this mistake. Good one.
We could tell you've never fallen out.
Shut up! I've just not. Ow. Okay, we're gonna get our little mixing bowl ready here. We're just gonna use this to whip up our batter, excluding our egg whites. Vegetable oil. Oof, lock in. I forgot the lemon juice in the fridge. I just realized. No. Okay, separate them proper. Don't mess this up. There we go. You guys need to stop being nice to me. I'm like, there will come a point where I can't fake it till I make it anymore, okay?
Why are you baking another cake?
Oh my god, are you referring to my fat, juicy butt? Thank you so much. Where's the bullying? Why? I feel like... What? Oh, shoot. Why there? Why there, my dear? Why sideways? Why are you... Okay, a spot. Okay, we need 40 whole grams. 40. Okay, 41. Good enough. That's all right. If you think that I would buy anything like a real lemon, you are wrong. I'm using lemon juice from concentrate. Okay, we just need a little splash of this. I don't... Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Shit.
That's my girl failure.
I got it. 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 Oh. Big
Does
and
anyone
strong.
know why?
I hope I thought this through. I really hope I thought this through. I can swap. I'm such a hot girl. Oh, I didn't think this through. Oof. I am getting somewhere though. Don't do that. Thank you so much. Oh my god, there's a fruit fly. There's a fruit fly right here. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna get it.
Certainly not beating the noodle arm allegations.
I got it. No, I did not get it. I thought I got
Electric mixer funds needed. Real question. If it doesn't
got it.
dox you,
Okay.
where did you get your oil
Yippee!
containers?
If you bully me, you're gonna have to face the wrath of me and my gun. I'm just done for. Like, I'm actually just going to be dead at the end of today's stream. We will not be here tomorrow. We will complete this in a reasonable amount of time. See how much love I'm putting into this?
Let's go.
It's a really nice color, isn't it, guys? Whoa. Whoa. Isn't this so much nicer? This is wonderful, you guys. My spatula. Work smarter, not harder, fellers. Should we amp this up a little bit? Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's getting so glossy. I think we're very nearly done, actually. Good machine. Look at those peaks. Those little peaks there. And it's so glossy. We're ready. We're ready. Okay. Now, before... Let me pull out my... spoon rest. These are necessary, especially when you're baking. I'm gonna put this away. Okay. Now, we are going to mix up our other wet ingredients first. Oh dear. Okay, that didn't go. Okay. And then we're gonna add our flour. We are very nearly there. I'm sorry if my drinking noises are loud. My mic is right beside my mouth. Add in our cornstarch. 4 grams. 5 grams. I think this is about 2. Okay, it says 8 grams now, but that's no big deal. Oh! Sorry for that. That was unpleasant. I'm very sorry. Okay, 48 grams. Oh. Don't make a mess. Fold it in, fold it in, fold it in. Why is it so hard? Why is it so difficult? I don't like parchment paper, the which I love. Do you know why? Because it's from Costco. Oh my god, French. Ugh. Sorry. It's from Costco. It's my favorite. Kirkland Signature ASMR. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, my favorite brand. Yes. Oh yes. Yes, my child. Yes. My favorite thing in the world. Oh yes. Kirkland Signature, baby. Oh, parchment
Canada
paper.
being real is
Ooh.
ruining this stream
Ooh.
for me.
Come on. Okay, not a straight chair. I may have fumbled that a little bit. Normally when I bake, I am super anal about making sure that I have to do as little dishes as possible. So I will do like a straight up I will just take a bigger sheet of parchment paper and I will shove it into the corners. I will literally force it. And I won't even like cut it. But here I might actually make it so that it's just 9 by 13. I don't mind if it sticks to the sides a little bit because I want that to help it rise because I really care about the outcome today compared to me baking normally. But honestly, it's not that bad. I think I could... What kind of streamer would I be if I wasn't giving you your owed reactions? I'm actually reverse psychologying you. Reverse psychologying you, excuse me. Wait, you want only 90 IQ? I'm right here. Take me right now. I'm 90 IQ. Me! Pick me! Okay, now we can get started on our other items, which are our mangoes and whipped cream. So I got these mangoes last week and I've been letting them ripen for like a whole week. I'm gonna wash them and then we can get to peeling them. I'll probably get like a little something for peels, maybe like a little bowl or something. You know what else is crazy? Oh my god, it's so like syrupy and sticky on the outside. I never buy mangoes like this. Oh my god, dude, I'm so sad right now. That looks like a freaking apple inside, and it's a mango. So look at this, it's so suspicious on the inside. Why does it look like that, dude? Yeah, that looks a lot better on the inside. I think we can use this one. The mango puree is so sweet that I think it's gonna flavor everything. Jen from Memphis, what you know about me? Big G-L-O and the G-L-E. 50,000 new Chanel shopping spree. And every time I pop out, you know I A-T-E. I'm wearing booty shorts, cause my paper long. It's a Friday night, and boy, it ain't at home. I pour my bitches shots, cause I don't drink alone. I'm outside again, cause bitch I hate at home. It's giving hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties, hair, face, ass, titties. With this side of the mango being okay, and then the other half that I ended up peeling ended up looking like this. Oh my god, I loved using this thing. It is so much fun. And there's so many attachments. You can legitimately like just go ham with it. Go crazy, you know? Look at that. Boom! Okay, one more. At least we're getting like a fine mince, right guys? You guys are overselling how weak I am. I'm not that bad. We're just gonna kind of eyeball it as we go along. See how much we need to... We have our whipping cream! Ah, I never buy stuff like this. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm lazy, so we are just going to use the same bowl for the meringue. I live in an area where like raw eggs are totally safe to consume, so I really don't care. I don't care to... It's all white, and it's all going to be in the same product. I don't care. Okay, sorry. For every 120 grams of heavy cream, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, that's basically... That's 1 cup. Just gonna mix to combine all of the sugar to start. Oops. That wasn't very good. Oops. Oh my god. How does that look? Oh, and the thickness. Whipped cream and mangoes off to the... I see the fruit fly. 1 second. I got it. Probably the most expensive ingredient I've ever worked with. Here, I have 2 beautiful New York strip steaks. I am so scared to cook with these. I've never done this before. I've been letting them come up to room temp while we were waiting.
Isn't more salt bad for you given you naturally salty state?
I'm so nervous. Oh. Well, I think I ought to take out the big pan today. I never use this one because I usually only cook for myself. Why is this so long?
Holy shit, that bacon is bigger than you.
But it's bigger than you too. I can't believe I just said that. That was so mean. Okay, we'll do 5 slices. I can't do math. Aluminum foil ASMR. Okay, 30 seconds. Just for... Ow! I hate moving you! Almost. That looks very decent so far, but I think we can get a little bit more color on it. I think we can do more, personally. I'll give it one more. Lock in. It's so tiring. It's okay, I'm working away the calories that I'm gonna eat. Oh man, I feel like this could use more of everything. Literally more of everything. What are we feeling? I think... Oh! It squirted! We're eating meat tonight, boys! You too, Yuppie! It's your birthday! How do people cut steaks? Like this? Like strips, right? Oh, look at that! It's so pink! It's so pink! It's literally the edge, and it's pink! It feels so soft and tender. Oh my god. Here we are. This is the big reveal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I made this. You guys, I made this. I'm freaking out right now. Inside, oh my god. If only I didn't mess up the cut. Oh my god. Oh, we are eating tonight. I'll take one of these long pieces out here. Look at that perfect pink baby. Oh my god. Oh my god, Yuppie's ready to eat. Come on, focus. There you go. Ta-da. Yuppie, can someone clip this for me? I'm not gonna take any photos. The sear, oh my god. I can't believe we did it. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Yuppie ASMR. Oh, she's going for the meat first. Of course. Oh my god, she devoured that thing. I can't even fit that whole thing in my mouth. That's a whole strip. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's okay. She keeps waiting for her release word because she's not used to being handed a whole plate like this. You are the most beautiful girl. I love you so much. Eat some more. It's so pink and perfect. I'm gonna... You keep eating. I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna take a video of you eating, okay? I'll be right back. Where are you going? Yuppie, come back. Come back, please. Oh, it's in the washroom. I freaking left it in here. I was checking my tweets while I was peeing.
Right now, because I am not real. I'm not real. And I'm in your head. I'm in your veins. I'm in your walls. I'm all around you. But the moment you take those pills on your table, you see them? The moment you...
My winning streak continues. Yippee!